Now, let us learn about the making of Indian Constitution. On 18 July 1947, India, which was under the British rule, got divided into two new states, India and Pakistan, which were to be dominions under the Commonwealth of Nations until they had their own constitution. This was the climax of the Indian people's struggle for freedom from British colonial rule. Thus, there was a need of a new constitution through which the Indian people could rule themselves and also plan goals for the development of the country. The Constituent Assembly was behind the preparation and adoption of Constitution of India. Now, let us look into the details of Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly is a body of representatives composed for the purpose of drafting a constitution. In India, Constituent Assembly was formed in 1946 after the elections to the provincial assemblies. In New Delhi on 9th December 1946, the Constituent Assembly met for the first time in the Constitution Hall, which is now known as the Central Hall of Parliament House. The members of Constituent Assembly were elected indirectly by the members of the provincial or state assemblies. The cabinet mission was appointed in 1946 and allotted seats to each province and each princely state or group of states. As a result, areas which were under the direct rule of British elected 292 members, whereas all princely states together elected 93 members. The Constituent Assembly also made sure that the seats in each area must contain members from three main communities, that is Muslims, Sikhs and General, according to their respective populations. It also guaranteed that 26 members from scheduled castes are represented in the assembly. During the elections in provincial legislative houses, representatives of princely states were identified through negotiation. In all, it had 217 members, of whom only 9 were women. The single largest party was the Indian National Congress with 69% of all seats, followed by Muslim League, which had most of seats reserved for Muslims. Initially, Constituent Assembly had all the members from different parts of British India, but after 14th August 1947, with the partition of India and Pakistan, the members of Pakistan formed a separate Constituent Assembly for Pakistan.